Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey today.
If you haven't already done so, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. In the heart of Hollywood, there's a museum that is dedicated to Hollywood history and memorabilia. If you're at the Chinese Theater looking at the handprints, it is a simple 4-minute walk down Hollywood Boulevard to Highland Avenue. The Hollywood Museum is open Wednesday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The cost for adults is $15 per person. They have over 11,000 items, including costumes, figures, photography, and other artifacts. It's located in the original manufacturing place for Max Factor Makeup, the makeup of Hollywood. The museum was opened in 2003 and just steps from the Hollywood Walk of Fame. If you're interested in seeing things about Hollywood, this is the place to see it. Special rooms existed at the Max Factor Makeup Factory, and the stars would come and have the makeup custom made for them. Those custom rooms still exist today. Wow. Loretta Young. Wow. Yeah. Dress from Judy Garland.
By Max Factor Hollywood.
That's very cool. Star Wars. You got the real costumes. That's pretty cool too. They not only have Star Wars original costumes, they have Star Trek Voyager costumes as well. Planet of the Apes 1968. How they did the makeup. That's some pretty cool stuff there. Look at this guy. Roddy McDowall's costume. We're in the Ghostbusters section. There's a Ghostbusters model of the car. But more important, there's the car.
And who doesn't love Ghostbusters when we've got Ecto-1? This is awesome. This whole exhibit is just amazing. Look at that. This Spanglers. Oh, there's the ghost catcher.
Look at the real bandit car.
I remember as a kid, I absolutely loved Smokey and the Bandit. Burt Reynolds, Sally Field. Oh my goodness. And this beautiful black Trans Am with T-tops. They're amazing. I also forgot to mention Jerry Reed and Jackie Gleason was in the movie as well.
That's the Trans Am.
And there's Sally Field's veil.
We're only showing a portion of the overall museum. There are 3 floors and a basement with wonderful Hollywood memorabilia. Batman from the TV show. Costume. A collection of Catwoman's. All the different ones. That's pretty cool. All the different Catwoman outfits. Costumes. We're looking at all the Back to the Future Back to the Future 1, 2, 3. All the different stuff. And all the, not only the memorabilia, but all the toys and everything that went along with it. McFly's truck. That's Marty's truck. Marty's truck. And the hoverboard. Marty's hoverboard.
Here's the original letter when Marty was writing it to Doc Brown back in 1956. And he wasn't supposed to open it till 1985. That's the video recorder. And there's Goldie Wilson. But I have to say, one of my favorite things is this DeLorean, the time machine. And then it has all the papers around it. Check that out. I mean, that's class. Then they got pictures of from 3, Back to the Future 3 on the wall.
With the original Batmobile. The original Batmobile. How cool is that? And the Bat Cycle. The Batman motorcycle. The Bat Cycle from 1966. Sitting right here too. There's King Tut. The King Tut option from the Batman TV show. And the back side of the Batmobile. The actual wands. The wands from Harry Potter. That's pretty cool. Ron Weasley's wand. Oh, Harry Potter's actual costume. That's pretty cool there. See? From the Prisoner of Azkaban. Prisoner of Azkaban costume. Very cool.
Pan over and you see Pee-wee's Big Adventure with his bike and his actual costume.
These are editing machines.
They're what machines?
Editing machines.
Oh, the editing.
Your dad used to use these.
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Arnold Schwarzenegger's outfit from The Running Man. And the dancing girls in The Running Man. The Hollywood Museum is a privately owned and operated museum created by Donnell Dadigan, who is a philanthropist and a history lover. They're preserving the history of not only the old manufacturing building, but the old TV shows and movies. If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe.
And ring that notification bell.
And give us a like. It lets us know you care.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.